So all of those shots were taken on this, the brand new action camera by DJI, the DJI Action 3. This now shares the classic design of the Action 1, but with some additional software features built into this. And also the modular magnetic design system from the Action 2, making this super convenient for swapping out to different mounts. This is now my favorite action camera by far, and I'm going to talk to you in this video about some of my favorite features and why you should definitely consider this as your new action camera. So I'm so glad that on this classic design we now have this magnetic system on the bottom coming from the Action 2. It combines both action cameras into one fantastic action camera. But why is this? Well, normally on action cameras you would have a traditional screw system like this, and every time you wanted to mount your action camera to a different mount you have to unscrew it every time and then re-screw it onto that different mount. That just takes time and effort, and with action cameras we don't want to miss anything. We want to capture these results fast. So the great thing about this is that you can just quickly swap mounts easily. You can just literally click this onto something and it mounts in seconds. And then when I want to connect it to a different mount, I can just press both of these pins in. This now detaches, and then I can attach it to another mount. So I can now have it as a sticky mount stuck onto something. I can then undo that, and then I can attach it onto a different mount. And I've been using this a lot. I've been able to use this mount system and then mount it on my wrist on a roller coaster. I can then swap it out and mount it on this sticky mount which stuck to my paddleboard, getting some really cool wide angle shots there. I can then remount it back to my selfie stick and then get some really cool vlog wide angle shots on my bike as well, or simply just use it in a vlog style. And that's what's great about this magnetic system. But it's not going to be a system which is going to fail on you. These are going to be used in high impact sports and different scenarios where you want this to keep in place, and it does. So this is not going anywhere at all. It is not budged or moved in the slightest. And the only way this comes off is if you press both of these pins inwards, and then it will detach. Straight away it'll then attach and the locking pins secure in place. This then allows you to capture more footage because you're going to be able to mount this to more things quickly. It's a fantastic game changer. But normally battery life and overheating are a massive concern on action cameras. Thankfully, the technology in this allows it to be much better. Let's talk about battery life. So this comes in two different combinations. This combo comes with the 3 batteries, and it also comes in a battery charging case. It's going to charge all 3 batteries via USB-C, but it can also connect to your smartphone or other devices and be used as a portable power bank. So that's great. Now this battery is called the Extreme battery. Now this is a 1770 milliamp battery, which is the largest battery of any of the action cameras. And this will get you a battery life of 160 minutes, which is just unheard of on action cameras. So I've been able to go and capture all of this footage using just this battery case with these 3 batteries, and not thinking, oh God, I'm going to have to rush this or I'm going to miss this shot, because battery life normally on action cameras is pretty bad. So I'm so glad that the battery life on here now is much better. And I can also take it in hot environment and cold. I have used this in really hot conditions and I've not had any overheating whatsoever. It's fantastic, so much better than the other action cameras I have used. The Action 3 has 3 stabilization modes: Rocksteady 3, which is supported up to 4K 120, Horizon Balancing for up to 4K 60, which keeps that footage level when the roll axis is tilted by 45 degrees, and Horizon Steady, which is up to 2.7K 60, and that has no limitation on the angle. Stabilization, just look at these shots now. I've been really impressed with it. So all of these shots here, just look at how stable they are. So you can mount this on a bike like I've done here, and I'm on a gravel, uneven track, and it is really super stable. Here I'm running up and down a hill with the action camera on just a selfie stick, and just look at the comparison between how stable it is compared to an iPhone 13 Pro, which also has great stabilization. This is probably the best stabilization I have seen in an action camera, but it makes it then not only great for action, but in a vlogging setup as well. You could mount this to the selfie stick and then get this wide angled shot but with the stabilization you need in a small setup like this, because you get this super wide 155-degree field of view. It's an f2.8 with a 1/1.7 sensor, recording up to 4K 120, and you can change the view from wide, super wide, or standard. The lens on the front is also removable, and you can shoot in both auto or pro settings, and this allows you to change the ISO, the shutter speed, and for color profiles it has the same D-Cinema color profile from the DJI Mini 3, or you can shoot in the normal auto color profile. And looking at these shots now, I'm super impressed with the color as well that comes from this action camera, and this is because this action camera has got a little trick up its sleeve, and this is going to be at the front of the action camera that you may have not even noticed, and that comes down to this here. So where it says Action 3, you'll notice that where it says Action 3, in the Action, the actual O has a hole in it, and it's got 2 dots either side. So the O is actually a color temperature sensor, and this detects the color changes and light flickering, and then what it does is auto changes the white balance and exposure from seeing it all the time through this little temperature sensor on the front. Either side here, it's also got 2 microphones either side of the action plate, and it's also got a windproof mic on the bottom of the camera. I found the sound quality to be good for an action camera. Let's just show you a quick clip now using both the action camera and also using the DJI wireless mic. So I've been filming in 4K 50, 4K 120, 4K 25 right now. I've not changed battery yet. The battery life is phenomenal on this Action 3 now. So now using the DJI wireless mic, the audio is going to be better. Is there a significant difference between this and the audio that comes through just the cameras alone? This is going to be a really convenient setup now for a lot of people, because the camera is not only so small and lightweight, but with a wireless setup like this, you're going to get really good audio as well, with this really wide angle shot as well. It's just so easy to use, and because it's lightweight, the selfie stick is super lightweight. I'm not going to extend it all the way, but this gives you a good view of where you're going and your surroundings. It's not really close up like this. It's brilliant. And you can now shoot in vertical video format on here. So if you're interested in Reels, TikToks, you can now do it on this straight vertical video out of your action camera. And it comes with this nice protective cover as well. So you don't have to use this, but it gives this extra layer of protection. And on the bottom of it, you'll notice that it's also got a magnetic mount there as well. So you can get your selfie stick and you can attach it to the bottom, and now you have a vertical video setup as well. And this is great for if you're on a bike or a paddleboard and you want to capture more of the whole body of either you or the person you're filming. And the design of this allows you to mount it then quickly between vertical and horizontal. So for instance, say I've got this now mounted on a bike and I want to get horizontal and vertical. I can literally just have this in place for horizontal, and then I can just quickly take that off, and now I've got a vertical setup in seconds. It's absolutely fantastic, and that's why I love this magnetic system on here. What's great as well is that this camera can capture action fast. So it's got a quick start function on the side. So this will turn on in a couple of seconds, so you're not going to miss that action. And also you can press this button on the side, which is a quick start button, and it also changes the menus as well. So if this is in a housing and you don't want to actually be going through all the menus and everything, you can just literally press that and it will change from photos to video. Now this whole camera is waterproof. You don't need any additional housing on this. If you're into diving, normally you can get about 10 meters of diving on action cameras. This will allow you 16 meters of diving depth. And it's also, the lens cover is hydrophobic, so you're not going to have those annoying water spots on your lens when coming in and out of water, especially in a pool. This happens all the time. This is much better for that, and I've been using this in a pool situation as well and had really good results without those annoying little dots. Now, not everybody's going to be diving with this, going deep sea diving. I'm certainly not, but in the situations I want to use this, I want to be able to confidently get this wet and not have to worry about it. And I haven't. And the Mimo app is good as well. This allows you to see a direct live feed of what the camera is seeing. So if you've got this thing mounted to your car like this, I can see now what it is seeing without having to hang over the roof trying changing all the settings. I can do this on my phone. Also here now, it's now stuck to the paddleboard using the sticky mount that comes with it. And I can use my phone and change it from video to photo, getting some photos on this without having to lean forward changing all the settings. The Mimo app is great. You can also live stream on the Mimo app and transfer any photos, videos that are on the camera straight to your phone. Mimo app is really good. So I hope that gives you an idea of just how much I like this action camera, how I've been able to use this in different settings, different scenarios, and get some awesome video, but without it overheating, without any loss of battery life, having to change batteries all the time. It has been my favorite action camera for sure. And this comes in two different combinations, standard and the adventure combo. I would get the adventure combo if I'm going to be honest. I would get that 100%. Now with the standard combo, you get the Action 3, the protective frame, the flat base sticky, the rubber lens protector, the quick release adapter mount, a locking screw, the extreme battery, and a Type-C cable. So for the adventure combo, you're going to get 3 extra batteries inside of here. You're going to get this battery case, which charges all the 3 batteries in sequence, and it'll charge one battery up to 80% in 18 minutes, so a really fast system. You can use this as a portable power bank. You also get the DJI extension rod. This is a 1.5 meter selfie stick, and it's great for mounting your camera on the top and using this as like a vlog setup. This is what I was using on the bike. This is a really good selfie stick, really good and lightweight, but strong and sturdy. It's also got a quarter rod mount on the bottom, so you can mount this onto something if you want even more range. And it's going to give you 2 of the quick release mounts. So overall, what a camera. I've had so much fun filming with this in different scenarios, and it's not overheated on me, so that alone is a big plus. But the stabilization on here and camera quality is really good. I think if you just want a good vlog setup, really lightweight, this is perfect. But if you also want a good action camera that you can use in both hot climates, cold climates, and have really good impressive battery life, and the magnetic mount system has allowed me to just swap it out onto different mounts really quickly, easily, and not miss the shots. It's really good. I really do highly recommend you go and check it out. I'll link it all in the description below. If you do buy it through them links, I really am thankful. Thanks so much for supporting this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.